Take a ride in the 2016 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, air conditioning, passenger airbag, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trip computer, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.